Welcome to Cash with Chris, free solid stocks in turbulent markets, plus the most important dates of the next 7 days. First of all, our risk disclaimer: please be advised that trading in CFDs, will say in derivatives and foreign exchange market, carries a high level of risk. First, our overview: we have the top news with the price trends and insights, will say the most important news. Then the Hall of Fame with the most important traders within the NAGA Trader on a daily, weekly, monthly and all-time basis. Then followed by the markets with indices, forex and commodities and cryptos, and the recommendations for the week, the top values, followed by the most important dates for the next 7 days, and finally the follow us section. First of all, our top news. Let's check out here the current price trends. We have the Dow Jones now with an unchanged situation within 1 week on a 1 month basis, +2, and longer range -2. FTSE now completely positive with an incredible stiff increase within the last weeks, +1, 6 and 8. And German DAX also positive, unchanged 4 and 4. And the IBEX now small behind, -1, but don't worry, it's still positive. We have here a pretty good increase, +1 on a monthly basis and +2. And finally the forex part, US dollar, like the British pound, US dollar, pretty negative here, -1, 4 and 5, and for the cable. And on the other hand, we have here the strong US dollar, Japanese yen of 0, +1 and +3, and that's all because of the strong US dollar currently. And you can compare this with other currency pairs where the US dollar is involved. And finally, commodities, gold unchanged, +0 and -2 and 3. And finally, the crude oil, +1, 5 and 30. One of the best markets you can currently invest in. And some analysts mentioned we could see the $80 within the next weeks. And finally, Bitcoin didn't found its support here. That's why we have a completely negative situation. One of the most negative markets you currently can invest in, and that's why you can also put a short investment here on Bitcoin, US dollar. We have a minus of 4, 11 and 22. Im April haben wir Großes vor. Wir erwarten unsere neue NAGA Wallet, die weltweit beste Wallet für deine Coins und Tokens. Darum NAGA Wallet. Du kannst damit einzahlen, senden, konvertieren, und zwar Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum und NGC. Über 1200 Token werden mit Echtzeitinformationen unterstützt. Und mit einem einfachen Klick kannst du auch an ICOs teilnehmen. Sofort verbunden mit Aktien, Devisen und Rohstoffhandel. Es ist sicher, skalierbar und weltweit verfügbar in über 20 Sprachen. Weitere Informationen unter naga.com/wallet, und da kannst du dich auch in unsere Whitelist eintragen. Here are the insights. China and the USA agree on the trade dispute for the time being. Trump, however, dissatisfied with the talks and the previous course. And but as a result, first of all, China will import more in the future of goods and services from the USA. In return, China lowers import tariffs on cars from 25 to 50%. Earnings season for the first quarter successfully completed, and the USA and EU, there we have also some talks regarding the deadline on June 1st for sanction on EU imports to the USA, which expire. So we need to see what's next there. And the main indices, Dow Jones continues to rise after breakout. FTSE closes gap and top at 7,771 points. And there's still potential currently in the German DAX and IBEX. So take a look. Forex US dollar index at 5-month high. And we have the US dollar falls below 170 US dollar, and cable near 133. US dollar Japanese yen finally with sustained positive run at 111. And the US raw oil price increase continues. The crude oil is more expensive at over 72 US dollar. API crude oil data from yesterday, pretty positive for the rate, where we had there a minus of 1.3 million barrels. And the gold May stop price drops shortly at 1,290 US dollar Bitcoin price has been trading at 9,774 since May 5th, currently below 8,000. Here we have the Hall of Fame within the NAGA trader, the best trader with the higher profits regarding the results on a daily, weekly, monthly and all-time basis. So here's the Hall of Fame. We are inside the leaderboard. The most profitable trader here is NPA on a daily basis. NPA 9070 with $70,064 profit. Then BAFCF with 2,867 and OT740 with 2,340. On a weekly basis, it's still NPA 9070 with $22,137 profit, and BAFCF with 7,527, followed by bonus 29 with 7,246. On a monthly basis, we have on first place Freigeist 77, 38,172 and 52 autocopiers, then MPA 9070 with 29,537 and Janice 75, 30,954. Inside the all-time section, the best trader. The best trader is on the all-time basis still JP Polo 144,085 and impressive 131 autocopiers, followed by Freigeist 77 with 66,236 and 52 autocopiers. And on the third place is Jarisa 64,332 and 37 autocopiers. Let's give you an overview of all the markets, the main markets within swipe stocks. First of all, our stock index overview. First of all, we check out the US 30, and you can see we lost yesterday a lot of points here. This was the current increase here from 33,533 up to 25,065. But yesterday, losing a lot of points here. Watch the complete video Cash with Chris on NAGA Trader TV, including insights and news, analysis of the 10 main markets, top values of the week, and the recommendations, import dates for the next week, previous videos on NAGA Trader TV inside the NAGA Trader app and Webtrader, account opening in just 5 minutes on nagabrokers.com, and afterwards you can log in and watch the full video on web.nagatrader.com.